ब्लिंकिट से मैंने प्रिंट आउट्स निकलवाए थे।
मुझे इमरजेंसी में मतलब डांडिया मंगानी पड़ी तो मतलब बहुत जल्दी आ गया था।
Yesterday I got like face serum which I didn't expect कि इतनी जल्दी आ जाएगा.
India's new retail backbone is cultivating a 10-minute habit, combining convenience and rewarding ease of shopping from the comfort of your phone and home, even during orders.
I think like most frequently because mostly घर का राशन and all सब वहीं से ही आता है.
I use it daily for groceries and milk products.
Mostly like snacks and all. Midnight cravings बहुत ज़्यादा होती है so yeah.
Over 90% of the quick commerce market is controlled by just 3 players: Zepto, Blinkit, Instamart, with Blinkit alone leading with almost 50% of the market share. The ease of these 10-minute quick commerce deliveries have successfully created a habit, targeting premium consumers in big cities to start with, where the end user doesn't mind paying a premium for the convenience it affords. And it isn't limited to the standard bread, butter, egg options.
नवरात्रि चल रहे थे तो मेरा एक्चुअली डांडिया मैं अपने घर पे भूल गई थी, तो मुझे इमरजेंसी में मतलब डांडिया मंगानी पड़ी तो मतलब बहुत जल्दी आ गया था.
Mom was cooking something, guests were over, and we didn't really feel the color was right, so we ended up ordering a food color.
So I was going to giving the interview, तो वहाँ पे like मेरा like CV वगैरह कुछ भी prepared नहीं था, तो मैंने मतलब उसी से ही Blinkit से मैंने print outs निकलवाए थे.
I had my freshers and I wanted a fashion tape to stuck my dress to the body. So I ordered that on Blinkit. It came in 10 minutes.
Powered by a maze of dark stores, these platforms rely heavily on AI to predict user behavior to ensure enough stocks of the most ordered products. These are tailored to locations and consumer preferences. They also use locational intelligence to give their delivery partners the best routes to make sure deliveries keep to the tight schedules. While quick commerce started with groceries, financial viability depends on expansion into higher margin categories. Companies stock everything from bathroom slippers, cleaners, to gold and silver coins during Dhanteras or Modaks during Ganesh Chaturthi, leveraging seasonality and events. To combat high delivery costs, companies push consumers to increase their average order value through bundling and promotion of higher priced items.
I believe the quick commerce is going to expand. If we think of their unit economics, one of the things that they want to do is more high margin categories, and hence you see today they are trying to put electronics, they are trying to put apparel also, which gives them a better margin than FMCG categories.
What started as a quiet pandemic experiment is a massive $57 billion opportunity now, where the 10-minute delivery that many questioned is here to stay and is even pushing others in the market to join the pack.
The rise of quick commerce has, nudged other companies to reduce their delivery times. The landscape is changing where next day deliveries are being expedited to same day deliveries. Same day deliveries, the timeline within which you get an order, that's being reduced because obviously quick commerce has nudged people to think, rethink their, re-strategize.